In this episode, we find some friendly new neighbors at our campsite. And one of them is kind enough to give us a tour of his giant DIY project. And a day out in St. Petersburg turns into an education on local food and vodka.
From Russia!
But drinking with Russians can lead to unexpected consequences.
할머니 없다. 아니 진짜. 굿모닝입니다 여러분. 저는 깔끔하게 샤워를 했고요. 아침에 빨래도 했습니다. 놀아놨는데요. 보이죠? 저희 이웃 생겼어요. 독일에서 온 캠퍼고요. 방금 도착했습니다. 저희 떠나기 직전에. 그리고 이 차 보여드릴게요. 진짜 장난 아니에요 이거는. 이런 차예요. 보여준다고. Can I go inside? See? Nice.
Naja, muss man ja auch. Man muss ja nicht jetzt für 4 Personen. Aber wir wussten, was wir wollen.
Oh my god, this is so nice.
Da macht man immer für 4 Personen noch mal wieder Einschränkungen.
아 진짜.
Ich bin schon dabei zu sagen, wir sitzen, wenn wir mal
여러분,
haben, wir müssen
이웃분이 들어가서 봐도 된다 해가지고 들어갔거든요.
reinkommen und raus.
아 진짜 좋다.
Got food storage in here.
Nice.
This is the bathroom?
Finishing is amazing.
Bathroom?
Oh wow.
Ja, ja, wenn das
Oh, smart way to build.
Very nice.
I like the setup. The bed is up there.
Uh-huh.
You know, sink and 2 gas
Refrigerator.
You built by yourself, right? How long does it take? How many year or months?
3 months.
3 months? That's it? 3 months?
Yes.
We built that one. It took 6 months.
Oh, nice garage.
Nice. Wow. It's nice storage area. Oh man, look at this one.
Yeah, that's a big water tank.
Yeah, it's huge. Wow.
Camping chairs, good.
Nice.
And 2 bicycles.
And 2 bicycles. It's always fun meeting new people, and would love to have talked more, but we had other plans. We were finally heading to St. Petersburg. Many Russians told us that it is the most beautiful city in Russia, and we were eager to find out why.
오늘 아침이랑 점심 아무것도 못 챙겨 먹어서 바로 디저트 가게로 넘어갈 겁니다. 거기가 하도 맛있다 해가지고 거기 가서 도넛 하나 먹고 돌려보려고요. Whenever I talk about the food, I always I don't know, my mouth is watery. Are you ready to go?
Ready to go.
Okay. 여러분, 피시치나야라는 그 디저트 가게인데요. 사람이 많네요. 은근히 이 앞에 있다가 한국 분들도 봤어요. 제 앞에 있는 게 다 줄입니다. 기다리고 있는데 엄청 더워요. 너무 더워서 얼굴 터질 것 같아요. 근데 거의 다 와갑니다. 줄. 살 것 같다. So hot in there, no AC, nothing, no window. We got the donuts. Actually, I got 6.
Nice.
I got 6 of them. 주세요, 주세요.
Oh, they're still warm.
Rain? 이거 먹으려고 엄청 기다렸어요. That's really good. 10개 시키려고 그랬나 보다. 피해 구원사원 바로 앞에 도착했는데요. 역시나 오늘도 관광객이 너무 많습니다. 오늘은 들어가서 관람을 할 건데 피구원성 들어왔는데요. 사람은 엄청 많은데 성당이 너무 이뻐요. 아, 너무 아름다워요. 아, 눈을 뗄 수가 없습니다. 막 그 뒤에서 막 정신없이 막 사진 찍고 있는데요. 여러분, 피구원성원에 있는 이렇게 그림들 있잖아요. 전부 다 싹 다 타일로 된 모자이크로 되어 있어요. 제 뒤에뿐만 아니고 이렇게 위에도 그렇고요. 모든 면들이 정말 아름답게 잘 되어 있습니다. How was it?
Good, very good.
It's pretty, right? It's
Yeah.
amazingly pretty.
Yeah, beautiful.
Yeah. So, where we are gonna go now?
Vodka Museum.
러시안 보드카 뮤지엄. 보드카 뮤지엄?
Yes, it's here. We have different kind of tickets, so you can choose one of them.
Okay.
Oh, visit with guide and tasting. How about that?
That's good too.
Yeah, let's do that.
Rush, if he gets late for a party, we give him an extra shot or a penalty shot. It's called small glass. But during Peter's time, the penalty shot looked like this. It was medal for drunkenness. These medals were enchanted on the neck, and the drunkard had to wear it during the whole week.
Oh wow, I can even lift.
You should drink more.
These bottles were filled with this mixture, and soldiers threw to tanks. During the war, after big explosion and fires, it was kind of firebomb. Well, you can see it on the pictures, how did they use it. Nowadays, it's still popular in a few countries. The first vodka for astronauts, for space.
Only for Russian.
여러분, 저희 보드카 뮤지엄 와서 지금 테이스팅 할 건데요. 보드카가 세 종류 샷으로 나와요. 샷으로만 무조건 먹어야 되고 먹고 난 후 스낵을 먹으라고 하거든요.
I'm ready.
We're gonna try the vodka right now. 하나, 둘, 셋.
Nostrovia. Nostrovia.
Yeah.
Welcome.
It's not as strong as I remember for some reason.
Oh,
Okay, so which one is this? Herring?
that's strong. What's that?
Good. I thought it was gonna be really fishy, but
저희 보드카 뮤지엄에서 같이 가이드했던 러시아 분이랑 일본 분이랑 만났어요. 그래서 레스토랑이 맛있다 그래서 같이 가기로 했습니다. It's our car.
This is our car.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Very pleasant for health, they say.
you see, this is really homemade herring.
herring.
Yes, which you together with the onion and a little bit potato. This is the best combination.
Perfect.
Yes. So right now you can eat it. This is the real one.
Thank you. It's full service here.
I never see. Why? I said to you, why you today only today?
Same service.
Same. Like his face looks so surprised.
International.
Especially Russia.
Hello, please,
From Russia. When dinner was finished, we all went to the roof of an old cathedral to see the lovely night view of St. Petersburg. We met some more friends there, and it was really an amazing time. We really didn't want to say goodbye, but it was time for us to go. So we gave everyone a big hug. Big teddy bear.
Anyway,
Nice to meet you.
We're not saying forever, we will see. Just for some time.
Come to Korea or we'll come to Moscow, right?
Anyway, we're not saying farewell, just Goodbye.
See you next time. See you next time.
Goodbye.
After, we walked around the city a little longer, taking in the beauty and energy that fills the city at night. Finally, we got back on our kickboards and made our way back to the van.
Oh, that's huge actually. 여러분, 저는 오는 길에 넘어졌어요. 그 횡단보도에 스쿠터가 꽂히는 바람에 바로 꼬꾸라져가지고 여기를 다쳤어요. 근데 그렇게 막 스크래치 간 건 아니고 내일이면 멍이 들 것 같아요. 그래서 아이스팩으로 찜질하고 있습니다. 잘 도착했어요. 여기 넘어지는 거 외에는 새로운 친구도 만나기도 하고 러시아 사람이랑 그리고 일본 사람도 만나기도 하고 재미난 얘기를 나눴습니다. 여러 가지 문화도 배우고요. 엄청 빨갛네. 이거랑 그대로 이렇게 막아가지고 횡단보도에서 웃기다. 진짜. 여튼 여러분 전 자러 가겠습니다. 니네 웃으면 죽는다 알겠나? 할 말이 없다. 아니 진짜. What do you think about the video? Do you guys like it? Share your thought below comment. It will help us a lot. Oh, if you like the video, hit the like button. It will give us the power to create more videos. If you're new to our channel, click here to subscribe and you will see more videos. Other videos will show here. If you missed our videos, click here to check it. Then, bye bye!